Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add expenses in QuickBooks. First, navigate to the Expenses tab on the left menu. Then, click New Transaction and select Expense. Choose your payee payment account and the date of the transaction. This initial setup ensures your expense is properly logged from the start, making your financial tracking much smoother and more accurate for your business. After the initial entry, fill in the details. Select the expense category, add a description, and enter the amount. You can also attach a receipt or other supporting documents directly to the transaction for easy record keeping. If an expense covers multiple categories, use the split feature to allocate amounts correctly. This level of detail is vital for precise financial management. For expenses that happen regularly, like rent or subscriptions, set them up as recurring transactions. This automates the entry process, saving you valuable time each month. Remember to reconcile your bank and credit card accounts frequently to catch any discrepancies and ensure all expenses are recorded. Regularly reviewing expense reports helps you understand where your money is going. To maintain excellent financial records, consistently review your expense categories and ensure they align with your business operations. Leverage the QuickBooks mobile app to capture receipts and enter expenses immediately, preventing forgotten details. This proactive approach keeps your books tidy and ready for tax season. Also, for great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look at the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.